Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the screen dimming issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, and you will see turn off adaptive brightness button. After turn off adaptive brightness button and click on light mode. After click on light mode, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, just click and hold side power button and restart. Again click on restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset and click on reset accessibility settings. Click on reset settings, enter phone pin, click on continue. You will see, after click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the screen dimming issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.